for the drip tray, the grounds tray, and the brew group. So if the pump is sounding really quiet, what can happen is the brew group, one sec here. The brew group has a nozzle and a ball and check valve. Let me pull it out here for you. So, see, I've repaired this with a sheet metal screw. I'm going to use these little bolts, these little tiny machine screws. But if you suck on this nozzle here and you squish down on here, you can see, you can hear a difference if that's your problem. So I just tightened the sheet metal screw and bam. So what originally caused this problem before I installed the sheet metal screw is the threads were cracked for the screw. So be really gentle with that little screw there, and you can drill all the way through. See where it ends? You can just put a little machine screw in there. So what was happening is the pump was not building enough pressure because there was a leak in the hydraulic circuit. So the pump was not going to let it brew because it detected a leak. So there you go. It's a great coffee maker. And there's how to fix it.